What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe from Freedom Financial, back at it again with another video. And today I'm upset. Today I'm a little bit tight, and I'm gonna tell you why. Ladies, this video is mostly for you guys. This is for my gentlemen as well, but mainly for my ladies out there. I'm upset. Today we're gonna be talking about car maintenance and why your car stays blowing up. Let's get into it. Alright, bet. So let's get into this video. To my ladies out there who have vehicles, I need y'all to get something from me. I need y'all to go in your passenger glove compartment, and I need you to grab your little booklet. Alright, it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna open it up, it's gonna have little books inside. I need you to grab the one that says maintenance bulletin or car maintenance or maintenance schedule, whatever yours says. I need you to pull that out. Mine says owner's manual and maintenance information. I need you guys to go ahead and grab that. Get that from your vehicle real quick, and I need you to take a look at it. We're going to be going through a couple things right now. First things first. Ladies, please, I need you guys to get your oil changed, alright? Some cars say every 10,000 miles you get your oil changed. Some cars say every 30,000 miles. Some cars every 5,000 miles. Whatever your maintenance bulletin says, I need you to get your oil changed on time. Why is that? Why is the oil change so important? The oil change is important because the oil is circulating through the motor, all the important parts of the motor, and it's getting used. And the faster you drive your car, or the harder you drive it, or whatever the case is, it gets used to an even greater extent. That oil is going to become old, and it will have to be changed so that you have proper lubrication in your motor. You don't change it, little particles could get stuck in there. You might get a buildup of some kind. Anything can happen, and your engine will blow up. I'm telling you, get your oil changed. That's not the only thing, though. Along with the oil change, you have to do other regularly scheduled maintenance items. All right, we talked about the oil changes. Next thing we're going to talk about is your brakes. A lot of you guys have squeaky brakes. Ladies, a lot of you guys have squeaky brakes. It's time to get those brakes changed. It's not hard. Sometimes it's not expensive. Sometimes it is. All you gotta do is take it to your local repair shop and tell them I need my brakes changed. Please, ladies. Y'all brakes is squeaking, and I hear you guys on Atlantic Boulevard. Next thing, check the tread on your tires. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, check the tread on your tires. If the tread on your tires is wearing thin, your car will have a difficult time stopping. It'll have a difficult time gaining traction, and ultimately can cause you to have a serious problem on the road if there's, let's say, rain or snow or anything on the road that shouldn't be there. It's going to have a serious problem. You don't want to have those problems with messed up tires. Please check the tread on your tires and make sure you have ample tread. If not, get a new tire, please. Yo, I could go on and on about maintenance items on cars. I'm going to give you guys a little quick tip. Download this app called MyCarFax, alright? Download this app, MyCarFax. Put in your vehicle's VIN number. Usually it's found on like the front. Looking at your car, look at the windshield right there on the driver's side. There's like a little section right there where your VIN number might be etched into. It'll be in your maybe it's in your service book, you know what I'm saying? But look at your VIN number, put it in the app. The app will tell you when you need to do all of this. So you don't have to remember, you don't have to memorize anything. The app will let you know, yo, it's coming up for an oil change, or yo, let's do some repair on the lights or something like that. Cabin intake air filter change. Whatever the case is, the app will let you know what you need to do so that you can get that done. Ladies, I'm tired of hearing y'all brakes squeaking on the highway. I'm tired of y'all engines blowing up. I'm tired of y'all tires going flat. I need y'all to take better care of your cars, because ultimately it'll save you so much money in the long run. You don't want to be spending money on faulty parts that could have been, negated if you had done the proper servicing on your car. So make sure you check this app out. It's called MyCarFax. Links will be in the description below. Check that out, please. Add your VIN number, and it will tell you everything you need to do to get your car back on schedule for its proper maintenance. Alright? So I'm going to end the video there for right now. If you want to support the work that we do here at Freedom Financial, you can find us on Patreon. Links will be in the description below. You can find me on Instagram at JKY365. Like the video, subscribe. Anything you want me to add or anything I should have hit that I missed, put in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. I love talking to you guys in the comments. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.